Some phones flex. This one scares the competition. The iQOO 15 is the kind of device that walks in quietly, then drops numbers that make even gaming phones question their existence. Let's break down the monster everyone's whispering about. Inside the box, iQOO doesn't waste your time with fluff. You get pure essentials: 100-watt fast charger, Type A to Type C cable, clear TPU protective case, warranty plus quick guide paperwork. The phone itself in all its premium glory. Design, build, and button placement. At first glance, this doesn't look like the typical aggressive gaming phone. It's clean, elegant, almost too calm for something this powerful. Materials and build. Glass back, smooth, premium finish. Aluminum alloy frame. Camera halo light, monster halo that pulses around the camera island. IP68 plus IP69, dual protection rating. Colors, legend white, alpha gray. Dimensions and weight. 8.1 millimeters thickness, 220 grams, balanced and sturdy. Right side, power button plus volume buttons, perfect thumb reach. Bottom, USB-C 3.2 port, primary speaker grille, primary microphone, dual nano SIM tray with eSIM support. Top, secondary speaker grille, secondary microphone, IR blaster. Frame, visible antenna lines all around speaker placement, dual stereo speakers, bottom firing main, top earpiece speaker. Loud, crisp, and wide thanks to the Master Grid 1511 system. Nothing is left out. The phone feels like a flagship that knows its worth. The display. Samsung X iQOO 2K LED OLED iQOO flexes hard with this panel. It's the world's first 2K LED OLED display, co-developed with Samsung. Specs: 6.85-inch flat Quad HD Plus resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, 6000 nits peak brightness, polarizer-free AMOLED for better efficiency, ultra-low PWM, comfortable for late-night use. Color reproduction hits 100% sRGB, 100% Adobe RGB, 100% P3, and 100% NTSC in bright mode. Basically, if this screen was any brighter, your neighbors would complain. Snap performance. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 Q1 supercomputing chip. This phone brings violence to the benchmark charts. Main chipset, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, clocking at 4.6 GHz. Memory and storage, 16 GB RAM, LPDDR5X Ultra Pro, up to 1 TB UFS 4.1 storage. Variants available internationally: 12 GB plus 256 GB, 16 GB plus 512 GB, 16 GB plus 1 TB. Q1 supercomputing chip features: super resolution, sharper visuals, super frame, FPS stabilization, ray tracing, realistic lighting. This combo makes sure the Snapdragon chip isn't working alone. Gaming performance. AnTuTu score: 3.9 million normal, 4.7 million with external cooling. Geekbench 6, single core 3300 plus, multi-core 97775, GPU 23757. 3D Mark stability between 48% and 65% across tests, 97.9% in wildlife stress test. Now the games: Mobile Legends, Ultra Graphics plus 144 FPS unlocked, average 141 FPS, peak 145 FPS, dip 128 FPS. PUBG Mobile, Smooth Ultra Extreme 120 FPS, average 117 FPS, peak 120 FPS, dips 88 FPS. Genshin Impact, max settings, average 59 FPS, dips 56 FPS. Wuthering Waves, max settings, average 59 FPS, dips 49 FPS. You don't need a gaming phone. This is a gaming phone disguised as a premium flagship. Thermals, 8K vapor chamber cooling system. This cooling system is not marketing fluff, it works. Temperatures after extended play: front 35.1 degrees Celsius to 39.3 degrees Celsius, back 36.6 degrees to 37.7 degrees Celsius. Chipset doesn't choke, doesn't throttle uncontrollably, and stays shockingly cool. Camera system. The unexpected win. Usually gaming-leaning phones treat cameras like decoration. iQOO said, nah, we're doing this properly. Rear cameras, all 50 megapixels. Main, Sony IMX921. Telephoto, Sony IMX882, 3x optical, up to 100x digital. Ultra-wide, 50 megapixels. Front camera, 32 megapixels, 4K at 60 FPS. Video modes: rear, 8K 30 FPS, 4K 60 FPS, lens switching live. Front, 4K 60 FPS. Ultra-wide color shift, slight. Main camera dynamic range, excellent. Telephoto, sharp up to 10x in good light. This is not gaming phone camera quality. This is flagship camera quality. Battery and charging, monster on paper and in real life. 7,000 milliamp hours battery, 100-watt wired charging, 40-watt wireless charging. Battery drain, 30-minute tests, Genshin Impact 8%, Wuthering Waves 9%, PUBG 6%, TikTok, YouTube, Netflix 1%. This phone lasts longer than your New Year's resolutions. Audio, haptics, and extra features. Dual stereo speakers with spatial tuning. Max dual axis haptics, 4D vibration. Game Streamer Assistant, 2K 60 FPS wireless mirroring, NFC eSIM USB-C 3.2, Origin OS 6, Android 16 base. This thing is loaded, no corners cut. By the way, if you're still watching and enjoying the breakdown, hit like and subscribe. Most of you watch the videos but don't subscribe, and I'm still stuck at 197 subscribers. Let's change that today. It helps the channel more than you think. Price. US estimated market price. iQOO 15 is not officially launched in the United States, based on international trends and expected import pricing. Estimated US price, $650 to $750 US. Once it arrives officially, expect higher due to taxes and market placement. Pros. Monster performance. Superb thermals, strong cameras for the category, class-leading brightness, big 7,000 milliamp hour battery, 100 watt plus 40 watts fast charging, premium build plus RGB halo, great haptics and speakers, IP68 plus IP69 durability, desktop-level Wi-Fi stability and smooth UI. Cons, ultra-wide lens could be wider, some bloatware on first boot, not officially sold in the US. Camera halo light may divide opinions. And that's the iQOO 15, a device that doesn't just push boundaries, it deletes them. A lot of brands will be in trouble. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel break past 197 subscribers. This is Tips in Tech, signing out.